Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Sunday morning. About 9 something. We're at the 5 mile marker. Starting out with 55 birds. I did a 3 mile twice. Started out with 58. Ended up with 55. So I'm at 55 now. 55 birds. They've been in there for a few minutes. Let's let them go. Flying above the trees, barely above the trees, but they went the right direction. All right, we got a couple of stragglers just broke out. I can see them way down there on the end. There we go. Definitely going the right way. All right, let's pack it up, get it home. 5 miles. All right, just got back at the house. No birds on the roof. I put a little bit of feed in the coop. So if they're here, most of them should be inside the coop. Oh, there we go. Did I open it? I think I did. Oh yeah, it's open. Well, it was only 5 miles. So we can say that technically they good. All right, 5 miles. I count them tonight, but it was started out with 55 this morning. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do.